duel, man against machine. Is the human being able to take it with a welding robot? Andreas Vollmer is the human representative. He has more than 20 years professional experience, as well as intelligence and creativity combined with physically ideal constitution. The opponent? The welding robot FD-V6L from Severt. His advantages? Every weld sits perfectly, and he works tirelessly without a break. The duel begins. Concentrated, Andreas starts with the work. He works with outstanding productivity, but he has to constantly realign and fix the component on his welding table by hand. The Severt robot welds almost continuously with its 6-axis guided water-cooled welding torch. This saves time and gives the automated colleague a clear advantage over Andreas. After 26 minutes, the robot ends his work. All welds are perfect. At the same time, Andreas did not completely weld half of his assembly. Andreas is ready after 69 minutes. If you calculate the time savings that the Severt robot brings, along with the acquisition costs, then you realize that 4,000 components of this size are necessary for the robot to pay for itself. Experts immediately recognize Severt robot technology is therefore absolutely recommendable for such an application. An operation with normal capacity utilization should cover this order volume in less than 1 year of single-shift operation. And what about Andreas? He maintains his new automated colleague, programs the next components, and also has time to continue his education.